Package dimensions: 21.59 h by 2.032 l x 20.574 w, centimeters. Package weight: 0.181 kilograms. Country of origin: China. Our two plug units are designed for brake controls that have a wiring port built into the back of the unit. Simply plug the brake control end of the wiring harness into the back of the brake control and the vehicle end into the automobile's port. Brake controls that utilize the two-plug style of wiring harness will be identified with the plug-play logo. Top reviews from the United States. 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This wiring harness fit our 22 Grand Wagoneer perfectly. Not sure why Amazon is saying it doesn't. Took about 30 minutes to install the harness and our new Tekonsha P3 trailer brake controller.